You know what? Share the video, share am papa, share am mommy, una send am. For here we try for talk truth, we try for defend truth, we try for defend justice, because we know say we live in the world of injustice. We live in trying times. We live in a period where kakistocrats them, that means the incompetent rulers them, incompetent authorities them, not them the rule. Why competent one them, they suck their finger, they cut their finger with their teeth. Now then they for family, they do the most rudimentary jobs them. People where they be competent with competent certificate, not them they for quarter, and then people where they be incompetent with just incompetent, they let hard drive the way they don't put inside their head, they no not gong chasm ting. Not them, they control. When I live a country where na art students them, they go do medicine. When I live a country where na science student them, they send them for go drive by.